Most drivers use only a small part of what their car can actually do, and honestly, that means they miss hidden features that can protect the battery, clear foggy glass faster, save brake wear, and even help avoid expensive repairs. Today, I'm going to show you 15 secret car features that most drivers never learn about. Some of them are built into the car right now, and all it takes is a simple button combo or a hidden setting to unlock them. Stay with me, because number 7 is one of the most useful features on the list. Let's get into it. Secret feature number 15, battery saving mode. If your car battery keeps dying too fast, your vehicle may have a hidden power saving setting built right in. On some Toyota and Lexus models, locking the car and pressing the lock button again can activate a low power mode. On some Honda, Acura, Mazda, and Subaru models, similar button combinations may reduce unnecessary battery drain while the car is parked. This is one of those features that can make a huge difference when your car sits for long periods. It helps preserve battery life, reduces electrical drain, and may even help your car start more reliably later. Secret feature number 14, automatic windshield defogging. Foggy glass can turn a normal drive into a stressful one in seconds. But, many cars have a hidden defogging mode that does more than just turn on the front defroster. If you press and hold the defrost button instead of tapping it, the car may automatically adjust airflow, turn on the AC, and pull in fresh air to clear the windshield much faster. This can be especially helpful on cold mornings or rainy days when visibility drops suddenly. Secret feature number 13. Fuel pump reset switch. If your car cranks but will not start after a bump, pothole, or minor impact, the problem may not be the engine at all. Some vehicles have a fuel pump inertia switch that shuts off fuel delivery as a safety feature. In many cars, there's a small reset button hidden in the trunk, under a seat, or near a side panel. If that switch gets triggered accidentally, pressing the reset button may get your car running again without needing a tow truck. Secret feature number 12. Cold start protection. Cold starts are hard on engines because oil is thicker before everything warms up. Some vehicles may have an internal cold start strategy that helps protect engine parts during those first few seconds. The idea is simple. Let the engine idle briefly before putting it under load. A short pause after startup can help oil circulate properly and reduce wear over time. It is a small habit, but it can make a real difference for engine health. Secret feature number 11, or daten double stopper moudensnag. Silent lock confirmation. That loud horn beep every time you lock your car is not always necessary. Many cars allow you to switch to silent lock confirmation so the car uses only the hazard lights instead of sounding the horn. In some models, this can be changed with a quick key fob sequence. In others, it is buried in the vehicle settings menu. Once you turn it on, you get the confirmation you need without waking up the whole neighborhood. Secret feature number 10, downhill cruise control braking. Most people think cruise control is only for flat highways, but on many modern vehicles, if you activate cruise control before a long downhill stretch, the car may automatically downshift and use engine braking to help hold your speed. That means less brake wear, less heat buildup, and more control on steep roads. It is a simple feature that can make mountain driving much safer. Secret feature number 9, sunroof recalibration. If your sunroof starts acting strange after a battery change or voltage drop, do not assume it is broken. In many vehicles, the sunroof can lose its memory and forget where the open and close limits are. A basic recalibration procedure often fixes it. Usually that means holding the close button for several seconds after the sunroof shuts. In some vehicles, there is a longer sequence. Once reset, one-touch operation and anti-pinch protection may return. The same trick can sometimes work on power windows too. Secret feature number 8, electronic parking brake service mode. If your car has an electronic parking brake, do not try to force the rear calipers back the old-fashioned way. That can damage the motor inside the brake system and turn a simple pad job into a very expensive repair. Instead, many vehicles have a built-in service mode that retracts the brake motors safely. The exact button sequence depends on the make and model, but once you know how to enter service mode, brake pad replacement becomes much easier and much safer. Secret feature number 7. Remote window and sunroof ventilation. This one is a favorite. Imagine your car has been baking in the sun all day. You walk up to it, open the door, and get hit with a blast of superheated air. On many vehicles, you can use the key fob to lower the windows before you even get inside. In some models, holding the unlock button a second time opens the windows and may even tilt the sunroof. That lets hot air escape before you sit down, making the cabin far more comfortable right away. It is one of those features that feels tiny until the first time you use it on a scorching day. Alright, secret feature number 6. Hidden diagnostic self-test menu. So, your car might already be carrying some basic diagnostic info, even if you don't have a scan tool handy. In certain models, especially Toyota, Lexus, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru, you can actually access a hidden self-test screen just by using the odometer or trip button. That menu could show system checks or fault codes, sometimes even before a warning light pops up. Now it's not a full shop-grade scanner or anything, but it can still give you some useful clues and help you catch a problem before it gets serious. Next up, secret feature number 5. Emergency engine shutoff safety. If your car ever has a throttle issue or you need to stop the engine in an emergency, don't panic. Most folks know you can hold the start button to turn the engine off, but the safer move in some situations is to shift into neutral first, then shut the engine down. That way, you keep a bit more control while the car is still moving. The key thing here is simple: stay calm, keep your hands on the wheel, and bring the vehicle to a safe stop as smoothly as you can. Moving on, secret feature number 4. Automatic seat and mirror memory. Seat memory isn't just about saving your favorite position. In some cars, the seat and mirrors will actually move automatically when you unlock the car, and then return to a special exit position when you park. That means it's way easier to get in and out, and you don't have to fiddle with the settings every single time. Once you've got this enabled, it really makes your car feel a lot more personalized and honestly, just way more convenient for everyday driving. Secret feature number 3. Route-based suspension tuning. If your car has adaptive suspension, it may be smarter than you think. Some higher-end vehicles can actually learn your regular routes and adjust damping in advance based on road conditions. That means smoother handling when the car recognizes bumps, rough pavement, or just those familiar stretches of road. It's honestly one of the most advanced hidden features on the list, and when it works, the difference in ride quality can be pretty dramatic. Secret feature number 2. Automatic headlight washer scheduling. If your car has headlight washers, they may not have to be used manually every single time. On some vehicles, there might be a hidden setting that lets the washers activate automatically after a certain amount of nighttime driving. That helps keep your headlights cleaner and really improves visibility after long road trips, or, dirty weather. Cleaner headlights mean better light output, and better light output means safer driving. Secret feature number 1. Key fob range boost. This one sounds almost too strange to believe, honestly. If your key fob won't reach your car, some drivers claim that holding it against your chin or even the side of your head can actually extend the signal range. The idea is that your body can help amplify the signal. It may look kind of ridiculous, but in a pinch, it can work. So, the next time your car doesn't respond from far away, try it before assuming the battery is dead. These hidden features are exactly why reading the owner's manual matters more than most people think. Because the truth is, your car may already have tools that save money, reduce stress, and make driving easier every single day.